Let's inspect the display damage. Notice the deep cracks along the edges. We need to replace the glass. Slowly move the plastic opening pick around all sides of the phone to cut the display adhesive. Lift the screen gently and evenly while keeping the display cable safe. Never carefully open the display while supporting the flex cable. Remove the protective bracket screws using a plastic spudger. Never use metal tools directly on the motherboard to avoid accidental damage. Take the new OLED display and inspect it carefully. Align the flex cable with the motherboard connector, press gently until it clicks into place, then reinstall the protective bracket and tighten every screw securely. Before sealing the phone, always test the new display completely. Check the touch response, screen brightness, color quality, and ensure every function works perfectly before final assembly. Place the phone into a display pressing clamp. Apply gentle, even pressure. This allows the adhesive to bond securely. Carefully inspect every edge of the display. Ensure perfect alignment and a secure adhesive bond. A clean and even fit is essential for a professional quality repair. Test every part of the touchscreen by swiping, typing, and opening different apps. Make sure every touch responds instantly and the display performs perfectly before returning the phone to the customer. Now test the display brightness, color accuracy, and check for any dead pixels. A perfect OLED screen should deliver vibrant colors, deep blacks, and flawless touch performance. Next, test the front camera, earpiece speaker, and proximity sensor. Make sure every function works perfectly before completing the repair. Now test the fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Register a fingerprint. Confirm that both security features respond quickly. Finally, test every rear camera lens. Record a short video. Check autofocus and zoom. Check performance to ensure functions operate perfectly. Clean the entire phone carefully using a microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints, dust, and adhesive residue. A spotless finish gives the repair a professional factory-quality appearance. The repair is now complete. Perform one final quality inspection to ensure every detail meets professional standards before returning the phone to the customer. Complete the camera inspection by testing every lens. Test the LED flash, autofocus, and image stabilization. Verify the phone has passed every quality test and is now ready for customer delivery. It looks brand new, performs flawlessly, and is fully protected for everyday use. The Google Pixel 7 Pro repair is now complete. With a flawless display and perfect touch response. Every function has been carefully tested,